गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप लोग? So students, in this late night midnight series, I just welcome you on this YouTube channel of BYJU'S. So students, I just request all of you to quickly respond whether I am audible or not. क्या आप मुझे ठीक से सुन पा रहे हैं? सुरुचि शुक्ला, गुड इवनिंग. सो ये तो इंजीनियर्स की शाम है. चलिए, वेटिंग फॉर योर रिस्पॉन्सेज. फटाफट रिस्पॉन्ड कर दीजिए जो जो अभी लाइव प्रेजेंट हैं. So students, I just introduce myself. This is Ankit Joshi and I have been teaching in this GATE and ESE domain since almost 19 years, and I welcome you all on this channel of BYJU'S for mechanical and civil engineers. Students, I just say heads off to all of you. We're all here to listen me follow the PYQs for your upcoming exam. So students, let's start without wasting much of your time. Before that, I just want to tell you that please hit the like button, share this information in your contacts so that a number of students would be able to enjoy this kind of sessions. I can see Swapnil Ghodki, Rajashri Mandal. Welcome to the session, बच्चा. चलिए तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. GATE PYQ 2018 to 2022. This series is also live on our English channel for EC Electrical and Instrumentation. That is for EC Electrical Instrumentation YouTube channel. This series is already live. GATE and ESE test series. Full length mocks and subject test description is given in the description box. These are the key features of the test series whose link is given in the description box. You can also download the free ebook for your preparation. I request all of you to hit the like button. Stay tuned for the next 1.5 hours and you will be definitely getting some quality concepts. Yes, Rajashri Mondal, ये free है. On your screen, you can see the brief introduction about me. Students, as you know, my name is Ankit Joshi and I have been teaching in this domain for more than 16 years. This is my 19th year of teaching. And students, yes, my subjects of interest, as I am from electronics background, analog circuits, signals and system, and engineering mathematics is the subject I taught most number of times in my career. Arun Kumar Yadav, welcome to the session. फटाफट आ जाइए, लाइव आ जाइए. ये सेशन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है आपके लिए और इस सेशन का मजा तब आएगा आपको जब आप हर एक सेशन करेंगे. शर्मा जी प्रणाम, खुश रहिए. तो आगे चलते हैं बच्चों. हियर कम्स योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ये क्वेश्चन कब आया था? गेट 2019 में प्रोडक्शन इंजीनियरिंग का क्वेश्चन है. कब तक चलेगा क्लास? बेटा 35 क्वेश्चंस हैं अप्रोक्सीमेटली. नियर अबाउट 100 मिनट्स में होना चाहिए कंक्लूड. 1.5 घंटे में कंप्लीट हो जाना चाहिए. मधुवंशी, वेलकम टू द सेशन. कैसे है भाई? फॉर एनी रियल स्क्वायर एंड नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स बी, determinant B inverse. Student, if you say determinant B is this one, हमें चाहिए B inverse का determinant. कैसे आएगा? Determinant of B inverse होता है 1 upon determinant of B. 1 upon determinant of B. बता दीजिए फटाफट आंसर क्या आएगा, कमेंट बॉक्स में फटाफट पिक कीजिए। हाँ जी, 1 अपॉन डिटर्मिनेंट बी, सो आंसर विल बी डिटर्मिनेंट बी का इनवर्स, डिटर्मिनेंट बी का इनवर्स, ये रहा मेरा आंसर, ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। लेट्स प्रोसीड फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। I can see 7 votes here, 8 votes, फटाफट रिस्पॉन्ड कीजिए। शाबाश। Here comes the next question. Consider the matrix P, एक मैट्रिक्स P दिया है आपको बेटा, ये एक okay, so this is an upper triangular matrix, this is an upper triangular matrix, ये एक upper triangular matrix आपको दिया हुआ है। इस upper triangular matrix में, इस upper triangular matrix में आपको बताना है कि कितनी डिस्टिंक्ट आइगन वैल्यूज हैं, कितनी डिस्टिंक्ट आइगन वैल्यूज हैं, नंबर ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट आइगन वैल्यूज। कम ऑन, सो पोल्स आर गिवन फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द नंबर ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट आइगन वैल्यूज, कम ऑन फास्ट रिस्पॉन्ड कीजिए। तो नंबर ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट आइगन वैल्यूज ऑफ P, नंबर ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट आइगन वैल्यूज ऑफ P, नंबर ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट आइगन वैल्यूज ऑफ P। तो बच्चों मैं आपके वोट्स का इंतजार कर रहा हूं, आप इस पोल पर अपना आंसर दीजिए। So I have got 13, 14, yes, 16 students live in this session, and I have got 14 votes till now, and I'm waiting for this poll to conclude. And let me reveal you, now I have got 15 votes. So all 16 have attempted this question. The number of distinct eigenvalues of P, the number of distinct eigenvalues of P, P की आइगन वैल्यूज कितनी होंगी, देखो भाई। वेरी नाइस। सो स्टूडेंट्स, करेक्ट आंसर मैं आपको बता देता हूं, इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा 1, ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। वाई सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर? अभिनव नेगी सर, थैंक यू फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग सच ए यूटिलिटी फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, एंड थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग विथ अस इन दिस सेशन, थैंक यू। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पर अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है, अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स की आइगन वैल्यूज स्ट्रेट अवे उसके डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स होते हैं, स्ट्रेट अवे उसके डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स होते हैं। तो इस मैट्रिक्स की आइगन वैल्यूज क्या होंगी? 1 1 1। तो अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि 1 कितनी बार है? 3 बार, लेकिन नंबर ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट आइगन वैल्यूज कितनी होगी? दैट विल बी ओनली सिंगल आइगन वैल्यू विच इज डिस्टिंक्ट आइगन वैल्यू। सो thanks everyone for welcoming legend Abhinav Negi sir. So 1 is the correct answer, option C is the correct answer. Moving to the next. So here comes your third question. The set of equations, the set of equations x plus y plus z equal to 1, then ax minus ay plus 3z equal to 5, 5x minus 3y plus az equal to 6। जरा फटाफट आप लोग ये बताइए कि इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होना चाहिए। हमें चाहिए इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस, इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस के लिए a का वैल्यू आपको बताना है, ठीक है बच्चों। Just waiting for all of you to respond. Stay tuned for the best of the questions and best approach. So this question is coming from non-homogeneous system of linear equations, non-homogeneous system of linear equations, क्योंकि राइट हैंड साइड का मैट्रिक्स जो है, राइट हैंड साइड का जो मैट्रिक्स है वो नल मैट्रिक्स नहीं है। Just need your response. I will be giving you the explanation for the same once you complete your poll. अरुण कुमार यादव, हेलो, वेलकम टू द सेशन। तो प्यारे बच्चों, बहुत कम बच्चों ने इसका आंसर किया है, आगे चलते इसको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं हम आपके लिए। सबसे पहले तो हम यहाँ पर फॉर्म करेंगे ऑगमेंटेड मैट्रिक्स। तो ऑगमेंटेड मैट्रिक्स को हम डिनोट करते हैं C से। सी होता है ए और बी का कॉम्बिनेशन, ए कोलन बी। यहाँ पर मैट्रिक्स ए के एलिमेंट्स और मैट्रिक्स बी के एलिमेंट्स को क्लब करके लिखा जाएगा। देखो बच्चों, मैट्रिक्स, हाँ, ए के एलिमेंट्स यानी कि एक्स वाई जेड कोएफिशिएंट्स 1 1 1 1 1 1 और राइट हैंड साइड में जो कांस्टेंट है वो भी 1 है। फिर a माइनस ए 3 और 5, a माइनस ए 3 और 5। फिर तीसरा इक्वेशन है 5, हाँ जी राहुल भाई, 5 माइनस 3 ए और 6। ये हो गया हमारा इक्वेशन, सिस्टम ऑफ मैट्रिक्स। अब देखिए हम यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं, अब हम यहाँ पर प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल मार्क करेंगे। प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल हमने मार्क कर दिया। ये हमने प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल मार्क किया। प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल मार्क करने के बाद में प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल के नीचे के एलिमेंट्स को जीरो बनाएंगे। प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल के नीचे के एलिमेंट्स को जीरो बनाएंगे। इस 1 को जीरो बना, इसको जीरो बनाना है ए को, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, R2 में चेंज करना पड़ेगा, R2 टेंडिंग टू R2 माइनस ए टाइम्स R1। और आप ये बताइए मुझे कि R3 में क्या चेंज करना होगा, R3 टेंडिंग टू R3 माइनस 5 टाइम्स R1। ऐसा कर लेंगे भाई। ऐसा करने से आपको मिलेगा इक्विवेलेंट टू सी, इक्विवेलेंट टू सी, इक्विवेलेंट टू सी। देखते जाइए। मैं कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए अपने आप को हाइड कर लेता हूं ताकि आप पूरा स्क्रीन देख पाए बच्चों। देखिए यहाँ पर फर्स्ट रो में कोई चेंज नहीं है, 1 1 1 1। सेकेंड रो में हमने चेंज किया है, क्या चेंज किया है, R2 माइनस ए R1। तो ये रहा R2, ए टाइम्स R1 माइनस करूंगा तो ए माइनस ए, ये हो जाएगा 0, माइनस ए, देखो माइनस ए और माइनस ए हो जाएगा, माइनस ए और माइनस ए होकर माइनस 2a बन जाएगा। फिर 3 माइनस ए बनेगा, यहाँ पर 3 माइनस ए, यहाँ पर बनेगा R2 माइनस ए R1 मतलब 5 टाइम्स ए, 5 माइनस ए। फिर R3 में क्या करना है, R3 माइनस 5 R1, 5 माइनस 5 तो ये हो गया भाई 0, माइनस 3 माइनस 5 मिलकर हो गया माइनस 8। यहाँ पर देखिए R3 माइनस 5 R1 करूंगा तो a माइनस 5 आ जाएगा। यहाँ पर आएगा 6 माइनस 5, 6 माइनस 5 कितना बनेगा बच्चों, 1। देखिए जरा, R3 माइनस 5 R1 तो 6 माइनस 5 दैट विल बी 1। फिर क्या करेंगे, फिर देखिए ये जो पोजीशन है, देखो प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल मार्क कर दो सर, जी सर कर दिया। ये डायगोनल हमने मार्क कर दिया, इसके नीचे की पोजीशन को यानी कि इसको जीरो करना है। तो भाई ये तो R3 में आ रहा है, R3 में क्या किया, R3 में हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया a से, a R3 कर दिया, a R3 करने के बाद में माइनस किया 4 टाइम्स R2, तो देखो ये हो जाएगा माइनस 8a और माइनस 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 प्लस 8a। यस, वीर भाई इज ऑल्सो देयर विथ अस, इज द रियल हीरो, equivalent to C. Veer Bhai is responsible. Yes, Veer Ranjan, what you can see on the screen. Veer Ranjan, Veer Bhai is responsible for creating all these sessions for you students. And see his dedication. He is still available after 12. जाग रहे हैं आपके लिए कि ये सेशन ठीक से हो सके। थैंक यू वीर भाई। So first row 1 1 1 1, सेकेंड रो 0 माइनस 2a। ये सेकेंड रो में हमने कोई चेंज नहीं किया है, कोई चेंज नहीं किया है, 5 माइनस a। हाँ जी, थर्ड रो में हमने चेंज किया है AR3 माइनस 4R2, तो क्या बनेगा भाई 0 माइनस 0, ये तो 0 हो जाएगा। फिर ये देखिए -8A और ये +8A ये कैंसिल होने वाला है। फिर A माइनस 5 में A से मल्टीप्लाई किया आपने यहाँ पर, तो A स्क्वायर माइनस 5A, ये यहाँ पर छोटा सा लिख रहा हूँ A स्क्वायर माइनस 5A, A स्क्वायर माइनस 5A। फिर -4R2 लिखा है, तो -4 इंटू 3 -12, -4 इंटू 3 -12, और -4 इंटू -A हो जाएगा +4A, कुछ इस तरीके से। और यहाँ पर क्या आएगा, यहाँ पर आएगा AR3 माइनस 4R2, AR3 मतलब A, और यहाँ पर हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर जो एलिमेंट है वो हो जाएगा AR3 माइनस 4R2, तो 4 5 20, और फिर क्या आएगा -4 इंटू -A, माइनस माइनस +4A, +4A। तो कुल मिला के देखिए ये जो पोजीशन है बच्चों, ये दोनों पोजीशंस जब 0 होंगी, कौन सी पोजीशंस की बात कर रहे हैं, ये पोजीशन और ये पोजीशन, ये दोनों पोजीशन जब 0 होंगी तो इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन आएंगे। तो A स्क्वायर माइनस A माइनस 12, एक तो ये 0 होना चाहिए, और दूसरी पोजीशन क्या है ये वाली 5A माइनस 20, 5A माइनस 20, ये पोजीशन भी 0 होना चाहिए। तो यहां से आपको मिलेगा A इक्वल टू 4, ठीक है, A इक्वल टू 4 यहाँ पर भी सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगा। देखो 4 रखोगे तो ये पहला वाला क्वाड्रेटिक भी 0 आ जाएगा, ये वाला पोर्शन भी 0 आ जाएगा। 4 का स्क्वायर 16 माइनस 4 12, 12 माइनस 12 0, यानी कि A इक्वल टू 4 रखने पर ये जो देख रहे हैं आप ऑगमेंटेड मैट्रिक्स, उसमें ये पोजीशन और ये पोजीशन दोनों 0 हो जाएंगे, जिसकी वजह से रैंक ऑफ C और रैंक ऑफ A दोनों इक्वल आ जाएंगे। तो जब A का वैल्यू 4 होगा तो रैंक ऑफ C यानी कि R ये 4 हो जाएगा, रैंक ऑफ A यानी कि रो ये भी 4 हो जाएगा, और आप ये कह पाएंगे कि सिस्टम जो है आपके सामने ये कैसा सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करेगा, इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस प्रोवाइड करेगा। तो R इक्वल टू रो मिल रहा है आपको, दैट इज R इक्वल टू रो, रैंक कितना आ गया 2, और 1 मिनट, और नहीं यहाँ पर 2 आएगा, नंबर ऑफ नॉन जीरो रोज, और नंबर ऑफ वेरिएबल्स XYZ 3 वेरिएबल्स हैं, तो कैपिटल N से छोटा है, तो A इक्वल टू 4 इज गिविंग यू इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ solutions. A equal to 4 is giving you infinite number of solutions. Students, I will hide myself for few moments. You just take the screenshot of this. Done? Respond कीजिए फटाफट। Here comes your fourth question. So ये क्वेश्चन भी GATE 2019 का है, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के पेपर में आया था। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर्स में भी लड़ने का एक जबरदस्त लेवल का जज्बा होता है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के लिए पोल ओपन है, और पोल में हम ज्यादा समय नहीं दे पाएंगे, इजी क्वेश्चन है, 45 सेकंड टू 1 मिनट बहुत सफिशिएंट टाइम होगा इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए। तब तक आपका हौसला बढ़ा हुआ रहना चाहिए, हौसला कम नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना, हौसला बढ़ा हुआ होना चाहिए। You should be having a high level of confidence inside you, in you. जी सर, फटाफट बताइए कितने वोट्स हो गए। 4 वोट्स हुए अभी तक मेरे पास। देख रहा हूँ, एक डायरी ओपन कर रहा हूँ जिसमें कुछ लिखा हुआ है आप लोगों के लिए, ताकि आपकी हौसला अफजाई की जा सके, कुछ मिल जाए इसमें आपके लिए। फिलहाल हाँ जी, अपनी आंखों में जो बरको शरर रखते हैं, अपनी आंखों में जो बरको शरर रखते हैं, हम भी सूरज को बुझाने का हुनर रखते हैं। अपनी आंखों में जो बरको शरर रखते हैं, हम भी सूरज को बुझाने का हुनर रखते हैं। हादसे क्या हुए रास्ते में मुझे याद नहीं, हादसे क्या हुए रास्ते में मुझे याद नहीं, आबले पाँव के तफसीले सफर रखते हैं। मतलब मेरे पैर के जो छाले हैं वो वो मेरी मेहनत बयान करते हैं। आपकी मेहनत आप ही जानते हैं, आपको किसी को दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है। मेहनत करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली कुछ बड़ा होने वाला, डेफिनेटली समथिंग बिग विल हैपन फॉर यू। चलिए प्रोसीड। तो प्यारे बच्चों, आप स्क्रीन पर देख पा रहे हैं, यू आर एबल टू सी हियर दैट इन ए मैट्रिक्स Ax equal to R, we know that matrix equation eigenvalue problem is given as Ax equal to B, Ax equal to B, Ax equal to B। तो इसको हम लिखेंगे कुछ इस तरीके से, A minus lambda I और सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में क्या लिख सकते हैं इसको, Ax equal to lambda x, Ax equal to lambda x, Ax equal to lambda x। तो Ax equal to lambda x स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वन, ये जो है R, इसको आप देखिए ध्यान से। व्हाट इज x? x is 214 and right hand side is R. What is R? 32, 16 and 64. So students, if you take 16 common, then what is remaining here? 2, 1 and 4. So this 2, 1, 4 is the vector x, therefore Ax equal to lambda x. So Ax equal to lambda x. So what is lambda here? Lambda will be 16. Lambda will be 16. So 16 will be the corresponding eigenvalue. Option A. Option A will be the correct answer. Option A will be the correct answer. Let's proceed for the next question. Yes. So this is the simplest question till now. Euclidean norm. Euclidean norm means length of a vector. Euclidean norm. Euclidean norm of the vector. Vector is given as 4 minus 2 minus 6. Either they give in the row form or they may give you in the column form. So this question is from Civil Engineering 2019 paper. And students, this is really a very simple question. So how to find the length? Thank you, Pandeyji. Thanks a lot. So students, how to find out the length of this vector? So all my dear students, let us denote this vector by x. After taking transpose, I can write this in the form of column. So I'm getting this, its magnitude is denoted by this symbol. This is the symbol for Euclidean norm, or simply the norm of a vector, which is under root 4 square minus 2 square and minus 6 square. On solving this, you will be getting root of 56. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, 36 plus 16 plus 4, that will be root of 56. And students, also remember one more concept, that when you divide a given vector by its Euclidean norm, then you will get the normalized vector, which is denoted by this symbol. So normalized vector will be, normalized vector will be, each of these components will get divided by root 56. So 4 upon root 56 minus 2 upon root 56, and yes, minus 6 upon root 56. So this is nothing but the normalized vector. क्या कहेंगे इसे आप? Normalized vector. चलिए आगे चलते हैं. Let's move ahead. Inverse of this matrix. We supposed to find inverse of this matrix. So inverse will exist. Inverse of any matrix will exist only when its determinant is not 0. So let us find out the determinant. इसका determinant निकालते हैं. Let us find out the determinant. So first component is 2. Then 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. Second component will be minus 3. Then what? 16. 4 4s are 16 minus 1. That will be 15. Then next component is plus 4. Students, are you following? फटाफट respond कीजिए. Everybody should respond. And please ensure hitting the like button. क्या आपने like button hit किया है? Have you all hit the like button? If not, please hit the like button, and requesting all of you to subscribe this channel. If you have not done so, please subscribe this channel so that you will get notifications for this kind of very important sessions. You should not miss out this kind of sessions. Okay? Yes, sir. Hit the like button if you have not done so. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed. So 8 minus 3, that will be 5. So 20 minus 45 plus 20. So minus 5 is the value of this determinant. Minus 5 is the value of this determinant. Okay. Now students, in order to solve the inverse, it will take a lot of time. So now Joshit bhai is also there with us. Welcome to the session, Joshit sir. Your favorite ninja sir is with us. Will you not welcome him? Joshit sir, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Students, I will be just calculating the first component. So for this particular element, I will be calculating the cofactor. So cofactor of this position कैसे आएगा? Just a moment. See here. So capital A11, this is the first position. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. Then what? Anji, this one. Minor. 3, 2, 1, 4. So 4 is a 12, 4 is a 12, 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 कितना होगा? 10. So A11, see, A inverse is adjoint A upon determinant A, correct? So student, minus 5 is the value of the determinant, and this adjoint A, first position is A11, that is 10. Okay, yes sir. Even after taking transpose, this position will not change. So 10 upon minus 5, the first position will be minus 2 only. First position is minus 2. So minus 2 is present only in option C. So we can, without solving any other calculations, without doing any other calculation, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Okay, just by elimination technique we have obtained this one. Can I have your response? फटाफट respond कीजिए. Are you all following? Are you all enjoying or not? Let's proceed to the next. Yes, option C is the correct one. I can see Mukesh Chaurasia, Payesh Kumari, Rishabh Pant, Gaurang. All of you, welcome to the session. Great. Geeta is also there. Swapnil, Mukesh. Serious question. Students, do you know this concept? Any matrix can be splitted into two parts. One is the symmetric component, another is the skew symmetric component. So this symmetric component can be obtained by A plus A transpose by 2, and this skew symmetric component can be obtained as A minus A transpose by 2. Okay, so students, if you add these two components, then directly you will get the original matrix. Now in this question was asked in GATE 2020 for mechanical engineering. A matrix P is decomposed into its symmetric part S and skew symmetric part V. It means they are saying that S is the symmetric part and V is the skew symmetric part of the matrix P. So how we are going to construct matrix P? Just we need to add these two. सिर्फ और सिर्फ add करना है S और V को. You need to just add these two. That's it. So we'll just verify the things here. Minus 4 plus 0. Minus 4. 4 minus 2, that will be 2. 2 plus 3, that will be 5. 4 plus 2, that will be 6. 3 plus 0, that will be 3. 7 by 2 and 7 by 2 will be 7. 2 and minus 3 will be minus 1. Yes, come on, which option? I think option D is the correct answer. Yes, everyone, come on, respond kijiye. 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2 will be 0. Then what? 2 plus 0 will be 2. So option D is the correct answer. Yes, sir. Respond kijiye, jaldi se. Next. Multiplication of a real valued square matrices of the same dimension. If you have two matrices, Gaurang bhai, the concept is any matrix can be splitted into two parts. One is the symmetric part, another is the skew symmetric part. Symmetric part कैसे निकालते हैं? A plus A transpose by 2. Skew symmetric part कैसे find करते हैं? A minus A transpose by 2. So this is symmetric part and this is skew symmetric part. In the given question, they already mentioned that S was the symmetric part and B was the skew symmetric part. Okay. चलिए आगे चलते हैं. Now everyone should respond. This is a very simple question. देखिए, if you have two matrices of the same order, if you have two matrices of the same dimension, same order, then associativity maintains, but commutativity is not guaranteed. Okay, so associative, option B is the correct answer. This is a single remark question, one liner question, but you should know the concept. Okay, option B. Everyone should remember this. When two matrices of same order are multiplied, then also it will not be commutative. Only associativity is obeyed. Anji, come on. For this matrix 1 5 3 3, the eigenvectors are अरे यार पांडे जी, तुम 10 नंबर लेकर आए हो, सिर्फ मैथ्स अटेम्प्ट किया था. Okay, you are saying that you scored 10 marks in maths. Surendra bhai, in this question what they are saying that if A, B and C, these are three matrices of the same order, okay, then you first find A into B and then multiply it with C. The same is equal to first find B into C and then multiply it with A. This is associativity. So associativity is obeyed. Associativity is obeyed, but A into B is not equal to B into A. That is, commutative law is not obeyed. Understood? That's what we have said here. So we said that option B is correct one, option D is incorrect. Not always possible to compute. We can always calculate the multiplication. So this one is wrong. Always positive. This is not necessary. It can be negative also. See this question. So for this matrix, we supposed to find the eigenvectors. So students, I am giving you a conventional approach. This question appeared in 2020 for production engineering. Students, hello. First of all, I will find out the characteristic equation A minus lambda I determinant equal to 0. This equation is used to find the eigenvalues. So 1 minus, subtract lambda from the diagonal elements, remaining values as it is. Diagonal elements में से lambda minus करेंगे, बाकी बचा हुआ as it is. So 1 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda, minus 15 equal to 0. So multiply this, lambda square minus 3 lambda and minus 3 lambda and minus lambda, minus 3 lambda and minus lambda, minus 4 lambda. Okay, sir. Then 3 minus 15, that will be minus 12. So can I say that what are the factors here? Minus 6 plus 2, minus 6 plus 2. Okay, so lambda square minus 4 lambda and minus 12. Fine. So lambda 1 equal to 6 and lambda 2 equal to minus 2. These are the eigenvalues. So we have obtained the eigenvalues here. We have obtained the eigenvalues here. So students, a x equal to lambda x. Okay. So if I say 6 is the one of the eigenvalue, then ax equal to 6x. So if I say 1 and 3 as one of the eigenvector, then matrix A. Better, instead of checking with the options, what you can do, students, you can just find out the eigenvectors first. That will be a better approach. So I am giving you a conventional approach here. A minus lambda I, you must welcome this. You must welcome this approach, because I know that you are checking with options only. So A minus lambda I into x equal to 0. Now, so A minus lambda I. So these elements are written in matrix form. 1 minus lambda, then 5, then 3, and then 3 minus lambda. Here we will get x1 and x2, and here we will get 0 and 0. Okay. Now first we will be calculating eigenvector for lambda equal to 6. So if I am putting 6 here, then I will get minus 5 x1 plus 5 x2 equal to 0. Similarly, I will get here 3x1 and minus 3x2. So same equations you will obtain here. Divide by, array bhaiya, after putting lambda equal to 6, you will get two same equations. So I am just considering this equation. Dividing it by minus 5, I will get x1 minus x2 equal to 0. So in this process, I am getting x1 equal to x2. So x1 by 1 equal to x2 by 1. It means one of my eigenvector is 1, 1. So 1, 1 is given in option C. So this one is the one of the correct answer. What about the other one? You can check whether this is one of the answer or not. Minus 5 by 3 and 1. So in this, array bhai, are you following? In this equation, we are going to put lambda equal to minus 2. So when you put lambda equal to minus 2, what you will get? 1 plus 2, 3 and 5 as the first row. 3x1 and 5x2 equal to 0. Very nice. Then what? Here, when you put minus 2 here, so 3 and 5 as the second row also. So both the rows are giving you the same answer. So 3x1 equal to minus 5x2. Just exchange the coefficients. So x1 upon, okay, better do one thing. Just go back and see. Here one value is 5 by 3. So x1 upon 5 by 3 and x2 upon minus 1. So these are the two eigenvectors, 5 by 3 and minus 1, 5 by 3 and minus 1. Minus 5 by 3 and 1 can be one of the answer. Minus and multiply by plus 1. So you can definitely say that minus 5 by 3 and 1 and 1, 1. So these are the answers. So comfortable with this, students? Come on, respond कीजिए. I have something for you. पहले कुछ दूर तक साथ चल के परख, पहले कुछ दूर तक साथ चल के परख, फिर मुझे हम सफर बोलना. पहले कुछ दूर साथ चल के परख, फिर मुझे हम सफर बोलना. मेरी खाना बदोशी से पूछे कोई, इतना मुश्किल है रास्ते को घर बोलना. See here. So this question asked in GATE 2021. Now see here. I want to calculate M. Before that, I will be calculating V transpose V. So what is V transpose? This 1, 0 will be written in column form. Then this V, 1, 0 in row form. So V transpose V. Anji, multiply this. You will get a 4 cross 4 matrix. 1, then 0, then both of them will be 0. So if you multiply it by 2, you will get 2 here. That's it. What about next? This one. W transpose W. W transpose W. Hanji. W. W is 2 0. 2 0 in the column form and 2 0 in the row form. 2 2s are 4. 0 0 0. Okay. So we want to multiply it by 3. So when you multiply it by 3, this will become 4 3s are 12. Correct? We want M. M चाहिए हमें. M चाहिए M. So M is 2V transpose V, 3W transpose W. So what you will get here? बताइए. So addition of these two, this two. Hanji. 2 plus 12, that will be 14. Hanji. Then what? You will get 0 0 0. Already this is in echelon form. How many non-zero rows are there? Only one. So rank will be simply 1. Option B is the correct answer. Rank will be simply 1. Option B is the correct answer. Next. Determinant of the matrix M shown below. इस मैट्रिक्स का डिटर्मिनेंट चाहिए हमें. कैसे निकालेंगे? तो मैं कोशिश करता हूं पहले इस पोजीशन को 0 बनाने के लिए. इसको 0 बनाने के लिए क्या किया? देखिए क्या किया, ध्यान से सुनिए. C2 टेंडिंग टू C2 माइनस 2C1, मतलब कॉलम C2 में हमने चेंज कर दिया. हाँ, फर्स्ट कॉलम में कोई चेंज नहीं, सेकेंड कॉलम में आपने चेंज किया. 2 माइनस 2 0, 4 माइनस 6 ये हो जाएगा -2, ये दोनों 0 आ जाएंगे. फिर 0 0 4 2 और 0 0 3 1. Abhinav Negi sir is writing, don't worry about GATE exam, BYJU'S exam prep. The whole team, the entire team is with you students before and after the exam. So we are, yes, definitely we are with you before the exam, after the exam, and during your preparation also. So yes, of course we will do some miracles. So students, already we have obtained that we have got 3 zeros in the first row. So just this matrix will be opening across this element 1. So 1 and its minor will be a 3 cross 3 minus 2 0 0. Just for your reference, I am writing all these steps. Okay. Now students, when you proceed further, you will get 1 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by the determinant of this 4. How much? 4 minus 6. How much you are getting? Yes, minus 2 and this minus 2, 4. 4 will be the answer? Yes, sir. So determinant of this matrix is 4. Thank you, Arun. So Abhinav Negi sir is giving you a big announcement here, that he is mentioning that marathons will be live from 3rd of January for mechanical and civil subjects. So stay tuned. Subscribe कर लेना चैनल को अब तक. Thank you, Geeta. Good. चलिए आगे चलते हैं. Student, this is really a beautiful question. Though this is from a different branch, but I brought this. This covers a very beautiful concept here. देखो बच्चों, this is an upper triangular matrix. So its diagonal elements are straight away the eigenvalues. So eigenvalues of A, lambda 1 as 2 and lambda 2 as 3. So there are two eigenvalues of matrix A, 2 and 3. Now we are considering a new matrix f of A. We are considering a new matrix f of A. This f of A is this one, a raised to 4 minus 5a cube plus 6a square plus 2i. When you solve this matrix, you will again get a 2 cross 2 matrix. इसको solve करने पर दोबारा आपको 2 cross 2 का matrix मिलेगा. You will be getting a 2 cross 2 matrix. Now we are interested in the eigenvalues of f of A. So eigenvalues of f of A will be f of lambda 1, that is f of 2, and f of lambda 2, that is f of 3. So students कैसे निकालेंगे? तो पहले तो f of lambda लिखेंगे. f of lambda will be, in this equation just replace a by lambda. So lambda raised to 4, 5 lambda cube, 6 lambda square, and 2i means 2. Now f of 2, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4, 16. 2 cube is 8, 8 5s are 40. 2 square is 4, 6 4s are 24 plus 2. Solve करेंगे? Yes sir. 16 minus 40 minus 24 plus 24 cancel plus 2. What is f of 3? f of 3, f of 3. 3 raised to 4, 81. 3 cube is 27 into 5, 135. 9 6 are 54 plus 2. चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं. 81 minus 135, 35 और 19, 54, but sign minus का, minus 54 plus 54 cancel, you will get 2. So students, what are you getting here? क्या मिल रहा है आपको? So we are getting eigenvalues of f of A. Eigenvalues of f of A are 2 and 2. So we are interested in the determinant. So determinant of f of A. Determinant of f of A means this one. ये यहाँ पर आएगा. And this will be just equal to the product of eigenvalues, that will be 4. So I hope you all have enjoyed this concept. So Abhinav Negi sir is coming with a big commitment, big announcement for you, that he's saying that marathon will be there for each and every subject of mechanical and civil engineering on this channel starting from 3rd of January. So stay tuned, subscribe this channel, share this information in all your contacts, and do some miracles. Spark. See this question. We have got 3 vectors. Yes, 4 is the correct answer. केले हैमिल्टन के जैसा ही अप्रोच है बेटा ये. प्रतीक शर्मा, for electronics, EC and electrical, marathon will be there on their respective channel. चलिए यहाँ देखिए, vectors are given. So 3 vectors are given. Capital X1 as 1, minus 1 and 2. Another vector has 7, 3 and x, and third vector is 2, 3, 1. They are saying that these are linearly dependent vectors. So when the vectors are linearly dependent, when these vectors are linearly dependent, then the matrix formed due to them will be singular. Okay, so we are going to construct a matrix using these vectors. So we will be going to calculate its determinant. So 1, minus 1, 2, 7, 3, x, 2, 3, 1. On solving this, you will get the value of x for which the vectors are linearly dependent. Okay, so first component is 1, 3 minus 3x. Second component is minus, so minus minus plus 1, 7 minus 2x. Third component will be plus 2. 21 minus 6, that will be 15. क्या मिलेगा? 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 30, 40. Then minus 3x minus 2x minus 5x. So all my dear students, x will be 8. This will be the final answer. GATE 2021. Moving to the next. आगे चलते हैं. See here. The eigenvalues of this matrix 8, 3, 2, 7 are 5 and 10. Eigenvalues of this matrix are given as 5 and 10. Okay. So there is another matrix B. Now B is giving you the relation between A. So A plus alpha I. Okay. So students, it is quite obvious that matrix B is nothing but f of A. So eigenvalues of B will be f of 5 and f of 10. This is in accordance with Cayley-Hamilton theorem only, Rishabh bhai. So f of 5 will be, put A equal to 5 here. So 5 plus alpha, and f of 10 will be 10 plus alpha. So 5 plus alpha and 10 plus alpha will be the respective eigenvalues of matrix B. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Come on, yes, Gaurav Kumar Jha, very good, superb. Next. This is a very simple question asked in GATE 2021. They have given you two matrices P and Q. They are asking the product Q transpose and P transpose. Q transpose. So convert this into its transpose. So 0, 1 and 1, 0. Very good. Same. P transpose. So 1, 2 and 3, 4. Find this product. Row into column. Row into column. Row into column. Row into column. So 2, 4, 1, 3. 2, 4, 1, 3. Option D is the correct answer. Very simple question, just based on matrix multiplication. Let's move to the next. आगे चलते हैं. Students, they are asking for orthogonal property. So when a matrix is orthogonal, then A transpose will be equal to A inverse, and on left multiplication by A, you will get A into A transpose equal to A into A inverse, and that will be equal to I. If you multiply from right side, then A transpose into A, then A inverse into A, and that will be again I. So I always say in my classes that A transpose equal to A inverse. This is the fundamental condition of orthogonal matrix. A into A transpose into A equal to I. This is the derived condition for orthogonal matrix. So option D is giving us the correct answer. Yes. Respond करो भाई. सेशन लाइक करते रहना है. So this is a similar question. I am keeping this for homework, and the answer for this question I am expecting the comment from you in the comment box. Okay, so just take the screenshot after the class. Whenever you have some time, solve this and post your answers in the comment box. Okay. Arun Kumar Yadav is feeling tired. So here comes the first question from probability. A box has 8 red and 8 green balls. 2 balls are drawn randomly in succession from the box without replacement. अच्छा. The probability that first ball drawn is red. First ball drawn is red. ये पहली ball आ गई red. So after taking out one red ball, 7 red and 8 green balls will be remaining. First, the probability that the first ball is red and second ball is green. So second ball is green. Okay. So this is first trial and this is second trial. Okay. So the probability of getting this one red ball will be 8 by 16. This is P1. And second one, probability of getting one green ball, that will be 8 by addition of these two, 15. So net probability will be product of these two, as these two events are independent probability. So 8 by 16 and 8 by 15. Arey bhai, 8 by 16 means 1 by 2 into 8 by 15. So 4 by 15 should be our answer. Option A is the correct answer. Students, option A is the correct answer. So this is based on non-Bernoulli trial, as this is sampling from finite population without replacement, but independent event. यहाँ देखिए, GATE 2019, फंक्शन p of x, मैं p of x नहीं लिखूंगा, I will be taking f of x. Okay, so there is a function f of x whose value is a upon x raised to mu. When x is lying between 1 to infinity, and this f of x is 0 in the other range, and they also have given that mu is greater than 1, mu 1 से बड़ा है. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find out the value of a. Since this f of x is density function, ये f of x क्या है? Density function है. तो माइनस इंफिनिटी से इंफिनिटी f of x dx, ये होना चाहिए 1. So valid range is from 1 to infinity only. A is constant, it will be moved out, and x raised to minus mu is taken to the numerator. So x raised to minus mu plus 1 upon minus mu plus 1. Limits are 1 to infinity. Comfortable? No. X to the power 1 minus mu. Limits are 1 to infinity, and on the other side we have 1 minus mu. Now please concentrate, please concentrate. When you put x equal to infinity, so infinity to the power 1 minus mu and 1 to the power 1 minus mu will be 1 only. I'll just hide myself for a few moments. Now students, mu is greater than 1, so 1 minus mu will be less than 0. 1 minus mu will be negative. So infinity की power negative, that will be 0. Infinity raised to negative will be 0. Minus 1 equal to 1 minus mu. So minus 1 से multiply किया दोनों तरफ. Multiplying by minus 1 both sides, you will get a equal to mu minus 1. Now tell me which option is correct. Option A is the correct answer. Just take the screenshot. Yes. Next. Students, If you have not hit the like button till now, requesting you to hit the like button. Here this one. If x and y are random variables such that expectation of 2x plus y equal to 0. So we can separate this 2 times expectation x plus expectation y equal to 0, equation 1. Second relation is given as expectation x plus 2y equal to 33. Expectation x is 2 times expectation y equal to 33. Okay. So if you add these two, इन दोनों को अगर ऐड कर लें, 2 times e of x and e of x, so 3 times e of x, then e of y and 2 times e of y, 3 times e of y, that will be 33. So e of x plus e of y, in a very simple way we can say that it is 11. 11 is the correct answer. GATE 2019. आगे चलते हैं. Let's proceed further. Are you all enjoying? Are you following? फटाफट रिस्पॉन्ड कीजिए. Series. Very nice question. The length of large stock of titanium rod follows a normal distribution. देखिए ये जो यहाँ पर लिखा है लेंथ ऑफ ए लार्ज स्टॉक ऑफ टाइटेनियम रॉड, इसको हमने डिनोट कर लिया x से. So they are saying that x is following normal distribution. तो नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का मीन होता है और स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन होता है. नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का मीन भी होता है और स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन भी होता है. यस फहीम भाई. मीन इज गिवन एज म्यू इक्वल टू 440 and standard deviation sigma is given as 1. I am not writing the units just to avoid some lengthy writings. So what is the percentage of rods whose length lies between 438 and 441? So we are just finding out the probability for x lying between 438 and 441. So students, for this 438 you have to find out a z1, x is converted to standard normal variable z, 441 is converted to z2. Okay, so बच्चा लोग z1, what is this z? Z equal to x minus mu by sigma. Z equal to x minus mu. Mu कितना है? Mu is 440. Sigma is 1. So 438 minus 440, that will be minus 3. 438 minus 440, that will be minus 2. Yeah. 441 minus 440, that will be 1. So Z is the standard normal variable. Hanji. So this is Z. On the y-axis we are plotting f of z, that is the density function for standard normal distribution. This is the standard normal distribution curve. Then the mean value of this distribution, standard normal distribution, will be 0. This is 1 and minus 3 will be somewhere here. So all my dear students, this value and just a moment, this value What happened? Am I audible to all of you? Hmm. So this is the addition of two parts. -2 है क्या? हाँ -2 है भाई, -3 नहीं. Okay. So this one is 0.9544 by 2. This is a fixed value, and this one is also a fixed value, 0.6826 by 2. So addition of these two will give us the correct answer. Hmm. 0.9544 by 2 and 0.6826 by 2. So this will be 0.8185. So in percentage it will be 81.85%. Option A is the correct answer. Come on, fast respond कीजिए भाई, सोना नहीं है. Next. GATE 2019. The probability that a part manufactured by a company will be defective is 0.05. Okay. T is given as 0.05. If 15 such parts are selected randomly, okay, N is given as 15. So Q will be 1 minus P, that is 0.95. So this can be easily solved using binomial distribution since it is Bernoulli's trial. So binomial distribution. P of x, probability mass function, NCX, NCX, N is 15. P raised to x, Q raised to N minus x. Okay, so students, what we want? Probability that at least two parts will be defective. At least two parts will be defective. So probability for at least two parts will be defective means probability for x greater than equal to 2. So when you simplify this, you have to open it from 2, 3, 4 up to 15, which is impossible for us to calculate. So what we are doing? We are just doing in a opposite manner. 1 minus p of x equal to 0 and 1. So 1 minus. Put x equal to 0 here. So 15c 0, 1. 0.05 raised to 0, 1. 0.95 raised to 15 minus 0, that is 15. Put x equal to 1. 15c1, that will be 15. 0.05 raised to 1 and 0.95 raised to 15 minus 1, that is 14. Students, will you be able to solve this? So after subtracting this calculation from 1, you will get the answer as 0.172. Have you got this answer? Come on, respond कीजिए जल्दी जल्दी. चलिए, moving to the next. See this one. probability density function of a continuous random variable distributed uniformly between x and y. अच्छा 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 अच्छा, देखिए ये हो गया आपका x, ये हो गया आपका f of x. Random variable is distributed between x and y. ये x, ये y. So ये हाइट कितना होगा डेंसिटी फंक्शन का? 1 अपॉन अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट, 1 upon y minus x. Option A is the correct answer. Density function in this case will be 1 upon y minus x for x lying between x to y, and otherwise it is 0. Okay, sir. A fair coin is tossed 15 times. The probability of getting exactly 8 heads. Okay, so this is again binomial distribution, Bernoulli's trial, 15cx. So 1 by 2 raised to x and 1 by 2 raised to 15 minus x. We want exactly 8 heads, so x equal to 8. So 15c8, 1 by 2 raised to 8, or 1 by 2 raised to 15 minus 8, that is 7. So 15c8, 1 by 2 raised to 15. Simplify कीजिए. So Gaurav Kumar Jha is giving the answer as 15, sorry 0.196. This will be the answer. Okay, let's proceed for the next. Good one. A company is hiring to fill 4 managerial vacancies. The candidates are 5 men and 3 women. Okay, so there are total 8. Out of these 8, 5 men and 3 women candidates. How many posts is to be filled? 4. 4 has to be filled. So 4 of them are selected one by one. Okay. If every candidate is equally likely to chosen, then the probability that at least one woman will be selected. At least one woman will be selected means, let us say x denotes the number of women. So x greater than equal to 1. So its opposite case will be 1 minus p of x equal to 0. So 1 minus x equal to 0 means 0 women, all 4 men. So 1 minus 8c4 in the denominator, then 3c0 and 5c4. So 13 by 14 should be the answer. 0.93 आना चाहिए. Just do the calculations and let me know the answer. .93. Yes, correct answer. Let's move to the next. See, GATE 2020 production engineering. If the probability density function of a random variable x is given as kx square by 2 in the interval -1 to 1 and 0 elsewhere, the value of k. So student, in the valid interval, its integration should be 1. Okay, this should be 1. That's it. So k by 2, x cube by 3, -1 to 1 equal to 1. From here I will shift it to here. K by 6, 1 plus 1, that will be 2, equal to 1. So k will be 3 as the answer. K will be 3. K will be 3. Answer is 3. Answer is 3. All fine. Next. This type of question is there in our classroom questions also, right? So GATE 2020. Consider two identical bags B1 and B2. B1 and B2. Each containing 10 balls of identical shapes and size. Okay. Bag B1 contains 7 red and 3 green. 7 red and 3 green. While bag 2 contains 3 red and 7 green. 3 red and 7 green. Okay, a bag is picked at random and a ball is drawn from it. Okay, so a bag is picked at random, so its probability will be 1 by 2. Dogs are at the peak level now. So one ball is drawn here after selecting a particular bag. Which was found to be red. They are saying that the ball obtained is red. The probability that the red ball came from bag 1, this we have to find out. So this is a question based on Bayes theorem. So this can be solved using, see, this is a conditional probability. They are saying that probability that the ball obtained is red. What is the probability that it come from bag 1? So this will be R intersection B1 divided by probability of getting red ball, that is total probability. So here I am drawing diagram. Bag 1, bag 2. Probability of selection of bag 1, that is 1 by 2. Probability of selection of bag 2 will be 1 by 2. Now probability of getting red ball. So probability that the bag selected is bag 1 getting red ball. Probability already selected bag is bag 2 of red ball. हाँ जी, क्या होगा? So 7 by 10 in the first case and 3 by 10 in the second case, correct? हाँ जी. So here red and B1 both. Here red and B2 both. So 1 by 2. हाँ जी. This joint probability is equal to marginal into conditional. Marginal is 1 by 2, conditional is 7 by 10. What up to? Just a moment. Okay, we are drawing this scene here. Probability of selection of these boxes is bags is 1 by 2. Then probability of selecting bag red ball from bag 1 is 0.7. that is 7 by 10. And probability of selection of back red ball from bag 2 will be 0.3. So here probability of red ball as well as bag 1, multiplication of 1 by 2 and 0.7. Similarly, R intersection B2 0.3, sorry, 0.5 and 0.3, 0.15. So probability that the ball selected is red. What is the probability that it comes from bag 1? So this is Bayes' theorem. R intersection B1 in the numerator and P of R in the denominator. Addition of these two in the denominator. So 0.7 होना चाहिए आंसर. Yes, Swapnil, very good, super. Now see, y equal to 2x plus 3. Okay. Let sigma x square and sigma y square denotes the variance of x and y. So students, sigma y square will be simply 2 square sigma x square. That is sigma y square will be equal to 4 times sigma x square. Option B is the correct answer. You can verify this using this format. See, variance of y will be expectation x square, sorry, expectation y square minus expectation of y whole square, correct? So what is expectation of y square? What is y square? Y is given as 2x plus 3. Now expectation of 2x plus 3 whole square, ऐसा हो जाएगा. Meme Central, what's your name beta? Thanks for your response, thanks for the beautiful comment, thank you. हाँ जी, a plus b whole square 4x square, then what, 2ab, so 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12x, 3 square is 9. Now 2x plus 3, so what we can do here, 2 times expectation x plus 3 times expectation 1 will be 1. अरे भाई, expectation of 3 times expectation 1, that will be 1. Now see here, 4 is out, expectation x square, 12 is out, expectation x. See here, expectation of 9 will be simply 9, then square कर लो इसका, so 4 times expectation x whole square, then 9 times, this is 9, then 2ab, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, e of x. So 4 times e of x square, that's it. Twelve times e of x and minus 12 times e of x, ये cancel हो जाएगा. Then we have 9 and minus 9 gets cancelled. Then what you have, minus 4 times e of x whole square. So 4 is taken common. So this is 4 times variance of x. लिख सकते हैं. So variance of y is 4 times variance of x, means sigma y square is 4 times sigma x square. That's what we have directly written also. यही हमने सीधे सीधे लिखा भी था. यहाँ देखिए. Students, you can join my Telegram group Electronics by Ankit Joshi. to download the PDF of today's class. Are you there in my Telegram group? I've shared my Telegram group. Next. Now see. Consider a binomial random variable x if x1, x2 up to xn are independent and identically distributed samples from the distribution of x with sum of y equal to I to n. So there is a random variable which can be constructed by adding all these, okay? Then the distribution of y as n tending to infinity. See, when these number of trials are tending to infinite, then definitely the binomial distribution will be converted to normal distribution. So in case of Bernoulli's trial, when n is moderate, we go for binomial distribution. When n is very large, p is very small, we go for Poisson's distribution by calculating lambda equal to n into p. But when n is very large but p is not very small, in that case we go for normal distribution. So here no restriction on p, only restriction on n. Therefore we are going towards normal distribution. Students, normal distribution curve is bell shaped, but its a distribution function, that is cumulative distribution function, is S shaped. Okay. Vehicle होना चाहिए. Vehicle arrival at an isolated intersection follows the Poisson's distribution. Okay. The mean vehicle arrival rate is 2 vehicle per minute. Okay. So they have given you lambda as 2. The probability that at least 2 vehicles will arrive. So at least 2 will arrive means x greater than equal to 2. Just think of the opposite case. 1 minus p of x equal to 0 and 1. Okay. Now form a Poisson's distribution. So lambda raised to x e raised to minus lambda upon factorial x, 2 raised to x e raised to minus 2 upon factorial x. So 1 minus e raised to minus 2 will be common. Then in the remaining 2 raised to x upon factorial x, put x equal to 0, you will get 1. Put x equal to 1, you will get 2. 1 minus 3 times e raised to minus 2. Zero 0.594. ये हमारा आंसर हो गया. नेक्स्ट, the mean and variance respectively of a binomial distribution, mean value is n into p, variance is npq, npq is 1 minus p only. Okay. So option B is the correct answer. For previous question, 0.5939 is the answer. 0.594. The lifetime of a component of a certain type is a random variable whose probability density function is exponentially distributed with parameter 2. See, exponential distribution parameter is alpha, which is given as 2. So mu, the expectation of x will be 1 by alpha, that is 1 by 2. 33 का ए होगा, किसने कहा? हाँ भाई, मैंने जल्दबाजी में गलती कर दी है, एनपी और एनपी क्या आ जाएगा? यहाँ तो सही लिखा हुआ था, सिलेक्ट करने में गलती कर दी. गौरव कुमार झा, आई हैव करेक्टेड माय मिस्टेक. थैंक यू. सो here alpha is given as 2. हाँ जी, आपको क्या चाहिए? The probability that its lifetime exceeds the expected lifetime. We want probability for x greater than 1 by 2. It means probability for 1 by 2 less than x less than infinity. ऐसा चाहिए. So this will be an integration from 1 by 2 to infinity. And what is the probability density function for exponential distribution? It is alpha e raised to minus alpha x for x greater than equal to 0, and for x less than 0 it is 0. Alpha is given as 2, so 2 e raised to minus 2x in this interval. That's it. So 2 is out. E raised to minus 2x integration divided by minus 2, 1 by 2 say infinity. हाँ जी, 2 to cancel, e raised to minus infinity 0. E raised to, in place of x, when you put 1 by 2, you will get 2 to cancel, e raised to minus 1. So 0.368 should be the answer. Okay. So students, that's all from my side in this session. Thanks a lot for being with me in this session. कल फिर से मिलेंगे at same time, tomorrow again at the same time with new set of PYQs from different chapters. So thanks a lot. Thank you all. जय हिंद, जय भारत. जाने से पहले कुछ सुना देते हैं आपको. हालांकि हम मिले थे बड़ी मुद्दतों के बाद, हालांकि हम मिले थे बड़ी मुद्दतों के बाद, औकात की कमी ने मुलाकात काट दी. चलिए, हम जरूर मिलेंगे कल. थैंक यू. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Scholarship tests link is given in the description box, and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and that's all. Jai Hind. Good night.